Next page.
That's this.
Good checking.
That without a start.
Keep checking those letters.
You, Meg, and
Put that sentence together. Make it sound like talking.
this cat wants you, Meg. And I want her.
I think they found the pet. I'd love to have a look at
Someone
it.
said,
I'll come and look
what
at
is
it.
that for?
Oh, what do you think? What sound do you think the cat's making? Oh, I wonder if it's meant to be a purring cat. You know how, have you ever stroked a cat and they purr?
No, but it's in this page.
Oh yes, read those speech
Can
bubbles.
we get a cat? Can we get a cat?
Oh, that really sounded like talking. I love the sound of that.
Yes. We can. What is this? Yes, we can.
Can we get a cat? Yes, we can.
I think the mum is saying yes. We
Yeah,
can.
I think so
I
too.
will pull her top. Tap, tap the cat.
Oh, let me just move it up so we can see the words.
I will pull her tap, tap the cat.
Try this word, the name again.
Tap,
Now, tap. If it was tap, it would look like this. That spells tap.
tab.
Good checking.
I will pull her tap, tap the cat. What
Oh,
does tab mean?
I have no idea, but I know there's a long girl's name, Tabitha, so I don't know if Tab is short for Tabitha. Maybe. Oh, I really enjoyed that story. Thank you so much. And shall I tell you what I noticed? You didn't need to point at all. Your eyes were doing the job all by themselves. And I loved your talking voice when you read this. Can we get a cat? That was lovely. Well done. Stop there.